Hello, sixth grade. This is your instructional video for our clay week. Yes, it is clay week. Even though we are hybrid, we are making the best with what we got. So I figured you guys needed a little bit of a pick-me-up, a fun project. So we have two things going on simultaneously. That means at the same time this week. We have a digital project that we're doing, and we have a physical in the classroom project that we're doing. We can do either one either day, but I have a feeling that the one in class with the clay is going to be able to take up all of our time during class. If you have questions, please see me. Please make sure you're asking. Please make sure you're seeking out help. That's going to be the most important thing during this process. So, in addition to that, I am going to walk you through where to look and how to find what you need to find for this week. So this week, what we're going to do in class is we are going to be focusing on building a chia pet. So you're going to be building a small clay animal. We're going to be cutting it in half, hollowing it out, making a hole in the top, and putting them back together. So you're going to basically have a hollow animal by the time we're done. In addition to that, while you're at home, and for our virtual project, you are going to be working on a Google slideshow for me. So in order to find those things, let me turn my highlighter on. You're going to see these pop up. So in the stream, I'm going to be putting either these videos or written directions. It is not popped in there yet because it is scheduled for Monday and I'm recording this on a Friday. So if I open this up, you'll be able to see what you're going to read on Monday morning. So welcome to Ceramics Clay Week for everyone. In class, we're going to build physical projects, but I have assignments that will pop up each day for you to work on. So you will see three things that are always there popped up. Two of them happen every day. A check-in question each day you are virtual to answer. So if you are in class, you won't see a new one pop up. At the end of the week, you should have answered 3 of these that pop up. So if you're in A group and you're with me on Monday, you should see yours pop up Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Don't worry about it. I have it scheduled, so you should see them pop up. If you don't, or if you've switched the day, if you're supposed to come on A day and you have a sibling that has a different last name and you ended up on B day and you switched out and switched things up on me, please let me know so that I can reschedule those for you. So you should have a question to answer each day. You should have a progress check, and I'll explain that after I explain this last one, which is our virtual week-long assignment. For the week, you are going to be working on a Google slide. So each day, at the end of the day that you are virtual, you'll have a question answered, you'll have worked on your week-long assignment, and you're going to give me a progress check screenshot of the Google Slides to show me how much you got done each day so that I know you're working on it. And then that way nobody falls behind. So those 3 things need to be done. At home, the Google Slide project, you're going to choose one of 3 different categories of art history. You're going to look into ancient Egyptian pottery, or you can choose ancient Greek pottery, or ancient Chinese pottery. That's up to you. You can investigate the one that you like the most or the one that you're more curious about. Choose one. Don't do all 3. If you do all 3, it's going to be a nightmare. But you're going to be looking for information on one of these 3. You're going to find detailed instructions in the assignment itself. I've posted it in 2 different places, so in case it gets deleted in one, you can find it in the other. So I'll walk you through that. Right here, it says 2 weeks to complete your slideshow. Yes, please have it in by, 2 weeks after your class, so you'll have the week in your class and the next week. Please have it turned in by the end of that 2 weeks. But I know that there are some challenges at home. I know it's not always a perfect situation with everybody at home having internet and being able to easily access it at the click of a button. I get it. I also know that you're responsible enough to kind of help yourselves figure it out. So at the very latest, this project is due before you leave for Christmas break, December 22nd. Please don't wait that long. The longer you wait, the better a chance that it's either going to get forgotten or it's going to really get pushed to the side and you're going to not put in as much work as I need you to put in so that you can have a good project. I'm not looking for a research paper. I'm looking to see that you've actually investigated what I need you to investigate. I want you to learn from this, not just throw it together and pretend to make me happy with a Band-Aid. So please make sure you're putting some effort into this. Each slide, each topic that you are covering in that slide is worth 20 points. So make it worth 20 points. Any questions, please comment in the class or on the assignment to message me directly. I'll be posting another video with more details about how to contact me. During the week, Monday through Thursday, I will be teaching during the day, so unfortunately I won't be as readily available. I will make myself fully available to you on Friday. And I will have some ways to contact me directly and quickly if you have questions. But please, please, please don't wait until Friday to do your work. If you have a question, do your best to find out. Leave me a message on here. I might not get back to you right that minute, but I will get back to you as soon as possible. But don't wait until Friday to start your work. You're going to be 1 week behind if you do. So make sure you're contacting me. Make sure in the meantime you're looking into answers. If you don't know, your classmates might know. If your classmates might know, great. If they don't, then obviously I need to be answering some questions. Please make sure you're using your netiquette, as Miss Schaefer puts it, and making sure that you're only using comments for something that is school related. That's part of our classroom expectations on this. So under classwork, on my screen, since I'm on a MacBook, on a computer, a laptop, whatever it is, mine pits up here. You guys are used to looking for it down here. It's a little clipboard on the iPad and it says classwork at the bottom. When you click on this is a teacher view, so forgive all the chaos and confusion with it looks like a ton of stuff. You're only going to see, there's 5 of these, you're only going to see 3 of them pop up. I have the list selected so that if you're in a group and you come to school on Monday, you're not going to see this one. You're going to see this one. So you would have, if you're virtual on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, you're only going to see the Tuesday one, the Thursday one, the Friday one. Since this is my teacher view and it's not posted yet, you're seeing all of them all at once. If you are a family that has a younger sibling that's a different last name, or you've made different arrangements to come on a day that I wouldn't expect you. So if your last name starts with an A and you're going to come on the L through Z group, on B day, please, please, please make sure you tell me that so that I can schedule you and make a note so that I can schedule you and select your name and put you in the right spot. That way you're not confused when you don't see things pop up that should be popping up. So by the end of the week, you should have 3 screenshots. You should have 3 questions answered, and you should be working on your ancient pottery research project. So details for the project to come. This is how we're going to operate with this. I'm going to, what the heck, we're just going to do it in this video. Well, no, I'm going to segment these out so they're not so long. All right, so I will pause this video, save it, and then post it, and then I will record for your instructions on ancient pottery research.